Ford Transit Connect. Plastics for the rear quarter. Spot the difference. Yeah, that is not a new one. 5 minutes ago that looked like this. Now that's after a blooming good scrub with some Shadazzle. Look it up. And that is after a couple of one application of baby juice and a nice cloth. So if you've got dull plastics, give them a scrub first. Doesn't really matter what you use, as long as you washing powder, soap, washing up liquid, toothbrush, nail brush, whatever you want. Just get them clean and then give them a treatment, because these plastics, believe it or not, they are made from oil. So over the years they dry up. This is 18-year-old plastic and it sucks up that much baby juice. So if you want to make your van tip-top condition, you know what to do. Easy Restorations. It's a public service.